OK. Graddedigion, rieni a chefnogwyr. Croeso cynnes iawn i chi gyd i Seremoni raddio adran Gwyddorau Bywyd, adran Astudiaethau Gwybodaeth a'r Ganolfan Addysg Gofal Iechyd. Graduates, parents and supporters, a very, very warm welcome to here to the graduation ceremony this morning for the Department of Life Sciences, the Department of Information Studies and the Health Education Centre. Fy enw I yw Jean Jones a fi fydd prif dywyswr y seremoni yna, y raddio yma, bore yma. Fy rôl I heddiw gyda weddill y tîm yn y neuadd yw I sicrhau bod y seremoni yn rhedeg mor esmwyth a phosibl. Cyn I ni ddechrau, dwi am dynnu eich sylw at rai pethau ynglyn â'r seremoni. Bydd y seremoni yn dechrau gyda gorymdaith o staff o adrannau'r academaidd, y gwesteion a swyddogion y brifysgol. Hefyd ar y llwyfan bydd yr athro Martin Stoddard a fydd yn derbyn gradd anrhydedd yn ystod y seremoni. My name is Jean Jones and I will be the Chief Marshal for this ceremony this morning. My role today, along with the rest of the team in the hall, is to ensure that the ceremony runs as smoothly as possible. Before we start, I just want to highlight a couple of things about the ceremony and how it will work. The ceremony will begin with a procession of staff from the academic departments, invited guests and officers of the university. Also on the stage will be Professor Martin Stoddard, who will be receiving an honorary degree during the ceremony. Fe fydd y seremoni yn dechrau gyda nerchiad gan y Canghellor, y Brifysgol, y Gwir Anrhydeddus y Fenahysig Nicola Davies. Ac yna fe fydd Mary Wyn Davies yn dod i'r llwyfan I gyhoeddi'r proclamasiwn. Fe fyddwn wedyn yn barod I groesawu chi'r myfyrwyr i'r llwyfan. The ceremony will begin with an address by the Chancellor of the University, the Right Honourable Dame Nicola Davies, followed by the proclamation of the congregation read by Mary Wyn Davies. We will then welcome you students to the stage to receive your awards. The head of department will then move to this lectern and will say a form of words in Welsh that present the students to their awards. An example of this is Anrhydeddus is Ganghellor, cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a nillodd radd baglor yn y celfyddydau. This translates to Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you students from our department who have gained the degree of Bachelor of Arts. We will then invite the students to cross the stage to formally receive their awards as the head of department reads the names in order. After the students have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will then be invited to stand and will be greeted by the Vice-Chancellor in Welsh with the following words. Trwy awdurdod y brifysgol am ddiriedwyd I mi, derbynaf chwi I radd baglor yn y celfyddydau ac I holl freiniau'r radd hon. Translated as, by the authority of the university entrusted to me, I receive you to the degree of Bachelor of Arts and to all the privileges of this degree. The Chancellor then greets the students and says, Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac anrhydedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad. Translated as, may your care ever be for the success and good name of our university and country. There will be a slightly different running order for smaller groups of students, including the PhD students, whose degrees will be conferred on the stage or in front of the stage. But essentially, the words spoken by the presiding officers are similar. Full details are provided in the graduation brochure, including the translations. Mae seremoni heddiw yn un arbennig iawn I ni yma yn Aberystwyth. Gan mai dyma'r seremoni gyntaf lle byddwn yn graddio ein myfyrwyr nyrsio gwyddoniaeth BSc. Today's ceremony is a particularly joyous one for us here at Aberystwyth, as it is the first ceremony where we will be graduating our BSc Science nursing students. Mae'n ofynnol I fyfyrwyr nyrsio dyngu llw cyngor nyrsio a bydweir... Hwna ni'n gwybod on, this is the difficult word, bydwreigaeth. Felly, bydd hyn yn edrych ychydig yn wahanol o fewn y ceremony. The nursing students are required to take the Nursing and Midwifery Council oath, so this will look a little bit different. This will be done in both English and Welsh. I gloi'r ceremony, fe fyddwn yn sefyll I ganu'r anthem genedlaethol, ac ar y diwedd gyfynnwn I chi beidio a gadael y neuadd nes bod swyddogion a staff y brifysgol wedi gadael y llwyfan. At the end of the ceremony, we will all stand to sing the National Anthem of Wales, and following this, we ask that you do not leave the auditorium until the officers and the staff of the university have left the stage. Bob blwyddyn rydym yn enwebu elusen fel elusen y flwyddyn. Eleni rydym wedi bod yn codi arian ar gyfer ambulans awyr Cymru. Elusen sydd yn ddibynnol ar roddion, ond sydd yn cynnig gwasanaeth allweddol i'r rhai sydd angen sylw meddygol brys o fewn ein cymuned wledig. Os ydych yn gallu helpu ein hymdrechion I godi arian, fe fydd bwcedi casglu wrth y drysau wrth eich iadael. Bydden ni a Ambulans Awyr Cymru yn ddiolchgar iawn am eich cefnogaeth. Every year we nominate a charity as the University Charity of the Year, and this year we are raising money for the Welsh Air Ambulance, an all-Wales charity dependent on funding to provide a key service for those in need of urgent medical attention within our rural community. If you are able to help our fundraising efforts, then there will be collection buckets at the door as you leave. Both we and the Welsh Air Ambulance would be very grateful for your support. Os oes argyfwng yn ystod y seremoni ac yn ofynnol I ni adael yr auditorium, gyfynir I bawb aros ar ei heistedd nes I aelod o staff eich cyfeirio at yr allanfa berthnasol. Hefyd, os oes yna ddamwain neu ddigwyddiad yn ystod y seremoni, fe fyddwn os oes angen yn stopio'r seremoni I ddelio â'r mater. Wedi dweud hynny, fyfyrwyr cymerwch eich amser. Does dim bris I gerdded I fyny ac I lawr y grisiau. Dyma'ch diwrnod chi, mwynhewch. In the event of an emergency requiring us to leave the auditorium, we request that everybody remain seated until you are directed by a member of staff to the relevant exit. Also, if needed, we will stop the ceremony to deal with any incidents or accidents that occur. That said, students, please do take your time. There is absolutely no rush. You have to walk up and down these stairs, so be very careful. This is your day. Please enjoy it. Thank you for your attention. We are now almost ready to start. Diolch am eich sylw, fe fydden nhw'n barod I gychwyn yn fuan iawn. Diolch yn fawr.
Bore da, a chroeso cynnes iawn I chi. Good morning and a very warm welcome to what I know will be a particularly joyous occasion. My name is Nicola Davies and I'm the Chancellor, the proud Chancellor of Aberystwyth University. Today it is my great pleasure to lead these proceedings. This ceremony is steeped in over a century and a half of history, tradition and heritage. It is an occasion designed to recognise academic excellence, your achievements, and a significant milestone in your journey as you make your mark in the world. Today's ceremony is also a celebration, one that we want you to enjoy and always remember. On stage, I'm joined by members of our academic community here at Aberystwyth University. We are also joined by officers of the university and, importantly, by prominent members of our local community. The reason we all come together for graduation is because of the immense pride we feel collectively in you, our Aberystwyth graduates. We gather to celebrate your success and hope that you, like generations before, will feel that Aber is a part of your life. Our celebration today is about recognising your achievement as someone who is, and always will be, part of this special place. Seeing us in our robes, honouring all of you in yours, can feel somewhat formal, perhaps even intimidating. But that is not what we want for you, your family and friends to remember about today. We want you to remember a joyous celebration, and we need your help in creating an atmosphere. Please remember this: as our graduates cross the stage, it will be a defining moment in their lives. A moment that unlocks the next level and sets a course for a successful career. That is something worth shouting about, so please do so. Don't be shy, cheer and clap, because that's what our graduates deserve. On this occasion, I would also wish to recognise the contributions of one particular group of people, namely the staff in your departments and their colleagues throughout the university. They work incredibly hard, often unseen, to make your time here a success. They take great pride and pleasure in days such as today, when they see you take such a significant step in your respective lives. So please join me in thanking them for all they have done to contribute to your achievement. Diolch yn fawr iawn. For those not familiar with the great history of this university, Aberystwyth is the oldest university in Wales. Established over 150 years ago, we are extremely proud of our heritage in making a key contribution to the life of this nation. Our mission is to change lives for the better through all we do, and that includes education and academic research. And it is important to recognise that both of those elements impact on people from all over the world, whether it is someone who's grown up in Aberystwyth or someone from the farthest reaches of our planet. This institution continues to be a beacon of light, growing knowledge which makes the world a better place. Our students and staff contribute a huge range of cultures and languages to our community here, which reflects how Aberystwyth attracts expertise and learners from all over the world. And we are very proud to conduct the ceremonial elements of this occasion in the language of our home nation, Welsh. It is the language in which many generations of Aberystwyth graduates have been honoured and welcomed into our family of alumni. Today, you join that worldwide family. I warmly congratulate you. It is an achievement and an honour. Unusually, I would like to mention one particular group of 2026 graduates. This ceremony is the first in the long history of Aberystwyth University in which we honour those qualifying as nurses. To our nursing graduates today, you are the first in what will be a long line to have started their professional journeys here in Aberystwyth. We wish you every success in a career that gives much back to society. No matter what qualifications you receive today, please make the most of it. Enjoy the ceremony, cheer loudly for all whose success is the focus of these celebrations, because it is an occasion upon which you will look back with great pride. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd.
Gorau awen gwirionedd. Bydded hysbys I aelodau'r brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn bresennol y cynhelir cynulliad awdurdodedig heddiw yma yn nhref Aberystwyth. Trwy awdurdod siarter brenhinol Prifysgol Aberystwyth, y rydym yn ymgynnull I dderbyn i'w priodwobrau fyfyrwyr sydd trwy efrydiaeth yn y brifysgol a thrwy ddisg, medr a dyfalbarhad wedi teilyngu'r cyfrifwobrau. Dathlwn eu llwyddiant yn y gobaith y cant fwynhau iechyd a hir hoedl I wasanaethu eu hoes a'i cenhedloedd, a thrwy eu hymdrechion a'i cyflawniadau y cyfrannant at wybodaeth a bydd cenedlaethau I ddod, ac ymrafael ar heriau sy'n wynebu ein byd. Nid byd, byd heb wybodaeth. Gorau awen gwirionedd. The best inspiration is truth. Let it be known to members of the university and to all here present that today an authorised congregation is being held here in the town of Aberystwyth. By the authority of the Royal Charter of Aberystwyth University, we meet to receive to their appropriate awards those students who have, through study at the university and through learning, ability and perseverance, been deemed worthy of their awards. We celebrate their success in the hope that they may be given health and long life to serve their generation and their countries, but also that through their efforts and achievements, they may contribute to knowledge and well-being for future generations and confront the challenges that face our world. A world without knowledge is no world at all. Nid byd, byd heb wybodaeth.
Anrhydeddus is-ganghellor, cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd y dystysgrif addysg uwch. Deborah Davies. Lisa Ellen Ewart. Sandra Ann Hopkins. Molly Elizabeth Jones. Oluwase Aidodeji Joto. Julie Mayhew. Kwame Bonsu. Charlie Emma Flanagan.
Trwy dydod y brifysgol yn dderiaid oed I mi, rwy'n cadarnhau eich bod wedi derbyn tystysgrif addysg uwch a'r holl ffreniau dystysgrif hon.
Boed o'r gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn rynnydd ein prifysgol ein gwlad.
Anrhydeddus is-ganhellor, cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd baglor yn y celfyddydau. Emma Grace Sirac. Hermione Jane Derry. Siobhan Devlin. Ashley Fitzer. Celia Letherby. Louise Lovett. Fresno Thomas. Toby Trathen.
Trwy dydod y brifysgol yn dderiaid oed I mi, dibyniaf chi y radd baglo yn cael ffyddydau ar eu holl ffreniau radd hon.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn rynnydd ein prifysgol ein gwlad.
anrhydeddus is-ganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi, fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni, a enillodd radd baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth. Nicola Bennett. Seren Breeze. Laura Capon. Evelyn Clark. Cerys Jade Chris Evans. Beth Danielle Elliott. Amelia Emery. Callum Enright Evans. Elin Evans Jones. Awel Griffiths. Mared Griffiths. Ellie Hinge. Rhiannon Cerys Louise Hughes. Haril James. Amy Jones. Hannah Wynne Jones. Holly Jones. Darby McDade. Leah Neal. Hannah Peach. Anne Rees Pritchard. Chloe Richards. Natalie Richards. Susan Richards. Harris Scott. Helena Walker. Bethan Williams. Jamie David Edmonds. Harris Eisen. Michelle Jarman. Gwenno Jones. Danielle Parks. Sophie Thomas. Leanne Marie Woodward.
Trwy'r dydod y brifysgol yn dderiau doed I mi, dibynnu â chi I radd baglo mae'n gwyddoniaeth ac holl ffreniau radd hon.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn rhyddid eich prifysgol a'n gwlad.
Rydym nawr yn rhoi am ran arbennig o seremoni heddiw. Felly bydd ein myfyrwyr nysio yn tyngu llwy. So we now come to a very special part of the ceremony today. We have just conferred our first cohort of nursing students with their degrees. And now, as part of their requirements for the Nursing and Midwifery Council, we ask them to take their nursing oath. This will be read first in Welsh and then in English by two members of staff from the Health Education Centre, Amanda Jones and Betty Weil. Therefore, graduating nursing students, can I please ask you to stand and to take your nursing oath?
A ddawaf mae fy mlaenoriaeth gyntaf fydd gofalu am fy nghleifion. Byddaf yn garedig I bob claf ac yn ymdrechu I gyfathrebu yn y ffeithlon a nhw. Byddaf yn parchu eu hirddas a'i preifatrwydd, a'i hawl I gyfrannu'n llawn at benderfyniadau ynghylch ei gofal. Byddaf yn onest ac yn ddibynadwy bob amser ac yn parchu a diogelu gwybodaeth cyfrinachol. Ni fydd fy nghredoau personol yn amharu ar ofal fy nghleifion. Trwy gydnabod cyfyngiadau fy nghymhwysedd, byddaf bob amser yn diweddaru fy ngwybodaeth am sgiliau proffesiynol. Os bydd gennyf reswm da I gredu nad wyf fi neu gweithwyr yn addas I weithio, byddaf yn gweithredu'n gyflym I ddiogelu'r cleifion rhag perygl. Ni fyddaf yn camddefnyddio fy sefyllfa broffesiynol a byddaf yn gweithio gyda chydweithwyr yn y ffordd orau lles y cleifion. Yn yr holl faterion hyn, ni fyddaf fyth yn gwanaethu'r anheg yn erbyn fy nghleifion na fy nghydweithwyr. A byddaf yn barod I glyfanhau fy ngweithredoedd iddynt ym mhob achos. Rhofaf yr addewid yma ar fy llw, yn wirfoddol ac o ddifrif.
I promise that my first priority will be to care for my patients. I will be kind to all patients and strive to communicate effectively with them. I will respect their dignity and privacy and their right to participate fully in decisions about their care. I will always be honest and trustworthy and respect and protect confidential information. My personal beliefs will not affect the care of my patients. By recognising the limitations of my competence, I will always update my professional knowledge and skills. If I have good reason to believe that I or a colleague are unfit for work, I will act quickly to protect patients from danger. I will not abuse my professional position and will work with colleagues in the best interest of the patients. In all these matters, I will never discriminate unfairly against my patients or colleagues, and will be prepared to justify my actions to them in every case. I take this pledge on my oath voluntarily and seriously. Please respond in your chosen language.
I gymryd y llw hwn yn unol â chymrwymiad i'r cod.
Do you agree to take this oath in line with your commitment to the code?
Anrhydeddus is gan hechlo. Cyflwyna fi chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd baglo mewn gwyddoniaeth. Martin Jeffrey Hall. Natasha Smith.
Anrhydeddus is gan gellor. Cyflwyna fi chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd y radd baglo mewn gwyddoniaeth. Kieran Roy Powell. Imogen Tomlinson. Emma Barnard. Freddie James Clasper. Elizabeth Clive. Bethan George. Samuel Jackson. Owen Luke James. Ellen Jones. Munashe Masango. Corey Pask. Luke Sayers. Chloe Shaw. Sophie Steele. Freddie Tarrant. Grace Woodcock. James William Ashford. Liz Charlton. Lucas Chicksand. Amy Evans. Elizabeth Mary Heath. Daisy Hewins. Elizabeth Horton. Doretta Ann Johnson. Evie Lewis. Alexandru Prodan. Lara Saba. Alyssa Singleton. Zach Wardropper. Phoebe Williams. Katie Jane Metcalf. Katie Mizuro. William Keyworth. Louisa Emma Leadham. Nathan Osborne. Elizabeth Sidney. Thomas Hughes. Finley Toomey Langford. Isabella Sorrentino. Inga Jerang. Aidan Orchard. Poppy Smith. Missy Lee Sullivan. Ellie Giovanni Gerard. Tammy Louise Parker. Phineas Westall McDevitt. Daniel Baker. Emmy Crumpton. Morgan Barry. Rihanna Bayliss. Dylan Boyd. Freddie Boyden. Millie Chisnell. Tiffany Fletcher. Carlotta Foster. Benjamin Harper. Joel Mahoney. Jacob Paxton. Edward Power. Emily Rosemary M. Reed. Finian Ross. Daniel Silverlock. Amos Slater. Luke Stanley. Tegan Sunderland. Lily Taylor. Daniel Utley.
Trwy dydod y brifysgol yn theriaid oed i mi, dybyniach chi radd baglo mewn gwyddoniaeth ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Bod eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn rynydd ein prifysgol ein glad.
Anrydeddus is Gangelfan, cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr rhan hadran ni a enillodd radd baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth. Fabienne Philippa Weston. Katie Bird. Elsa Larad. Zach Pierce. Charlotte Emily Phillipson. Daniel Dowse. Faith Ann Fitzpatrick. Thomas Garvey. Mia Rose O'Riordan. Hannah Sheridan Schneider. Layla Thomas. Samuel Wild. Joe Snape. Megan Bridge. Rowan Tawny Joy Day. Alexandra Mackey. Isabel Whitehead. Katya Lily Mirzai. Ika Irigoyen Benavides. Isabel Jones. Cameron Laurie Kennelly. Ewan Morris. Evie Nichols. Caris Powell. Rachel Emma Flavel. Bird Missoud. Rachel Horton. Alfie Brown. Neve Carruthers. Brandon Clark. Abby Cramp. Rhys Dobbins. Madison Eleanor Hall. Adela Ruth Henderson. Bethan Hayden. George Michael Charlie Jones. Morgan Kent. Alexander Crupper. Daniel Metcalf. Harrison Murphy. Eve Onright. Tilly June Matthews Shelley. Emily Stace. Amy Thomas. Amelia Wallace. Lucy Watt. Sharon Zeng. Ruby Buxton. Laura Fernyhow. Gethin Hughes. Madeline McMath. Joseph Orledge. Katie Reed. Maryam Safdar Khan.
Trwy ydydod y brifysgol yn fferiau oed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd baglo mewn gwyddoniaeth ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn ryddedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad.
Anrhydeddus is-gan-gellor, cyflwyno chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd athro mewn bioleg. Charlie Jury. Leo James Manns. Ray Scottow. Isabel Coveney. Thomas Jenkins. Morgan Matthews. Sian Lucia Morgan Plowright. Bethan Wyatt. Katie Bosbury. Redmond Maud. Lily McLaughlin. Luke David Griffin Anderson. Jacob Burgess. Victor Kowalski. Kendall Toy.
Trydydod y brifysgol, mytheriaid oed I mi, dibynnu â chi I radd athro mae'n bioleg ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Haddam o'r eto, da gan I brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Anrhydeddus is-gan-hellor, cyflwyna fi chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd diploma uwchraddedig a brifysgol. Adam Grounds. Emma Ruth Gordon. Nicola Alice Hudson. Andrew Byrne. Christine Ann Glenn. Roheen Hurley. Adam Edward Jones.
Trwydydo yn dderiaid oed I mi, byniach chi y ddiploma wrthradedig y brifysgol ac eich holl ffreniau cymhwysta hwn.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan I brifysgol ac derbyn i'r cymhwystedd hwn.
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganhellor. Cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd athro y celfyddydau. James Livingston. Amelia Zoe Barker. Maggie Borland. Seren David. Joy Louise Fountain. Su-i Ho. Abigail Jones. Emma Louise Jones. Keisha Liddell. Oh, Grace Jordan. Keisha Liddell. Laura Rachel Martin. Harvey Pierce. Spencer Michael Voss. Lee Ann Ambler. Helen Bravery. Samantha Brinded. Caitlin Maria Cowling. Alice Cragen. Shannon Exelby. Lily Griggs. Bethany Hall. Belinda Hill. Betsy Alice Morgan. Catherine Ann Morgan. Julie Helen Roberts. Jemima Sims. Hannah Elizabeth Tucker. Isla Josephine Van Hissenhoven. Katia Zara Camieri.
Trwy dydod y brifysgol, myfyrioed oed i mi, dibynnu ar chi i'r radd athro ond y celfyddydau ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Haddam o'r eto, da gan i brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Anfydyddus is Gangello, cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr hadrannu a enillodd radd athro mewn ymchwil. Megan Louise Kane. Naomi Rhiannon Denning. Nadine Mary Barbara Johnson. Amelia Paddock. Amy Louise Ruddick. Ayakunle Samuel Arosoi. David Christopher Skonieczny Chavas. Damien Trin. Madison Cara Wade.
Trwy dydod y brifysgol, dderiau dwyd I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd athro mewn ymychwil ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Hawdda mor eto, da gan I brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Anrydeddus is Gangellor. Cyflwyno fi chi fyfyrwyr rhwng hadrannu a enillodd radd doethyr mewn athroniaeth. Rebecca Jane Bristow. Donald Owen Cross. Mary Wynne Davis. Baharis Adat Haddadi.
That's fine. It'll all be fine.
I lost the doctors.
You lost them.
I lost them.
Trwy y dydod y brifysgol, dderiau doed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd doetha moyn athroniaeth ac yn holl ffreniau radd hon.
Hawdda mor eto, da gan I brifysgol eich derbyn yn ddoethuriad.
Anrydeddus is Gangellor. Cyflwyno fi chi fyfyrwyr rhwng hadrannu a enillodd radd doethyr mewn athroniaeth. Holly Marie Northcote. Andreen Vangberg. Nur Amy Alia Binti Zainuddin.
Trwy dydod y brifysgol, dderiau doed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd doetha moyn athroniaeth ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan I Brifysgol eich derbyn yn doethuriad.
Canghellor, is-ganghellor, graddedigion, gyfeillion. Pleser o'r mwyaf yw cyflwyno Martin Stoddart I dderbyn gradd doethir anrhydedd Prifysgol Aberystwyth. Chancellor, Vice-Chancellor, graduates and supporters, it is an honour and a privilege to present Martin Stoddart with an honorary doctorate of Aberystwyth University. Professor Martin Stoddart is the Vice Director and Programme Leader for Regenerative Orthopaedics at the AO Research Institute in Davos, Switzerland. Professor Stoddart's academic journey began here in Aberystwyth in the early 1990s as a student studying for a BSc honours degree in biology, focusing on cell biology, immunology and microbial genetics. He graduated in 1995 and enrolled again at Aberystwyth for an MPhil in cartilage biology, the research for which he undertook in Davos at the AO Research Institute. Professor Stoddart then made the move to Nottingham University to undertake his doctoral research in clinical oncology, specifically investigating the formation of new blood vessels in cancerous tumours, and graduated with his PhD in 2000. Following the completion of his PhD, Professor Stoddart returned to Switzerland to work in the Laboratory for Experimental Cartilage Research in Zurich, initially as a postdoc and between 2003 and 2005 as group head. During that time, he also undertook a 6-month sabbatical period at the Center for Molecular Orthopedics at Harvard's Medical School, Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston to learn viral gene transfer techniques. In 2005, he returned to the AO Research Institute in Davos, where he became principal scientist and focus area leader in 2009. He has been the program leader of the Regenerative Orthopedics program within the AO Research Institute since 2020. Professor Stoddart's research focuses on the integration of mechanobiology, tissue engineering, stem cell biology, and functional genomics, emphasizing the role of non-coding RNAs in improving the repair of muscles and bones. Professor Stoddart's main body of research has focused on how stem cells taken from a patient can be reintroduced back into the patient through cell therapy to aid the repair of musculoskeletal tissues. To achieve this aim, he investigates novel human cell identification and isolation methods to identify causes of donor variation. His specific research interests include the mechanoregulation of progenitor cell fates and in particular the biological processes by which stem cells develop into chondrocytes, which are the cells found in healthy cartilage and which are responsible for producing, maintaining and repairing the extracellular matrix that gives cartilage its strength and flexibility. Professor Stoddart's research has led to advances in regenerative rehabilitation and the discovery of novel clinically relevant biomarkers and targets. Throughout his career, he has authored around 200 scientific publications, which have been enormously influential in his field of research and have been cited over 14,000 times. He has also edited 3 books and has 2 accepted patents. Professor Stoddart collaborates widely in his research and has led a wide range of national and EU-funded projects in collaboration with groups around the world. A passionate educator, Professor Stoddart also undertakes teaching as a lecturer at the ETH Zurich, and in 2015 was awarded a professorship from the medical faculty of the Albert Ludwigs University in Freiburg, Germany. In 2016, he was awarded an honorary professorship at the Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences at Keele University here in the UK. And he is a fellow of the Royal Society of Biology and a fellow member of the International Cartilage Regeneration and Joint Preservation Society. In 2020, he received the Termis EU Midterm Career Award, and in 2021 was inducted as a fellow of the International Combined Orthopaedic Research Societies. It's fair to say that Professor Stoddart's remarkable academic research has played an enormous role in developing the scientific basis of medical treatments that have transformed the lives of countless patients across the globe. And we are truly delighted that as an Aberystwyth graduate and postgraduate alum, he has been able to join us here today at our graduation ceremony. Canghellor, mae'n bleser gen I gyflwyno Martin Stoddart I dderbyn gradd doethur anrhydedd Prifysgol Aberystwyth. Chancellor, it's my absolute pleasure to present Martin Stoddart to you with an honorary doctorate of Aberystwyth University.
Dagan y Brifysgol eich derbyn yn doethur. Congratulations. Llongyfarchiad.
Well, it's great to be back. So really, thank you for this extraordinary honour. To receive an honorary doctorate from Aberystwyth is both humbling and deeply meaningful to me. As somebody whose academic journey began here, in this room, this recognition feels especially personal. I am truly grateful to the university for this distinction. I also want to congratulate all the graduates in the room. This is your special day, and you and your family should be extremely proud. Your life from now on will ever be split into before ABBA and after ABBA. I've been asked to say a few words to hopefully help you on the way in your journey, although I'm not sure how much help I can be to you. As my daughter once told me, what do you know about being young today? When you were young, you didn't even have the internet. So, we'll try. Looking back on my own life, almost nothing happened according to plan. Like many of you, I spent much of my early career wondering about the decisions I was making. There were failed applications. There were projects that did not work out. The paper rejections, disappointments, and moments of uncertainty. There still are. In science, failure is not an occasional visitor. It's a frequent companion. So you get used to it. But one experience from my teenage years taught me a lesson which has stayed with me throughout my life. I grew up on a council estate in Manchester, one of 6 kids, and like many of you, I was the first person in my family to go to university. When I was about 15 years old, our family home was destroyed in an arson attack. Overnight, life as I knew it disappeared. It was a difficult and traumatic experience, and I would never wish it upon anyone. Yet with the benefit of hindsight, I can also say it taught me something incredibly valuable. I learned there is a difference between where you are from and who you are. The initial thought is we had lost everything and we didn't even have insurance. But life-changing experiences happen more often than you think. And it's not the experience itself that will define you, it's what you do next. That experience gave me a resilience that has helped me throughout my life and career. Whenever I later face setbacks as a student, a researcher, or as a leader, I remembered that circumstances can change dramatically, but they do not define your future unless you allow them to. If someone had told that 15-year-old boy standing outside a burned-out family home in Manchester that one day he would stand here receiving an honorary doctorate, he would never have believed it. But life fairly rarely follows the path we expect. In my final year at ABBA, my cell biology lecturer, Peter Evans, offered me the chance to go to a research institute in the Swiss mountains for a year. You know, who would say no? That one conversation changed both the whole course of my professional life and also led me to my wife. And that brings me to the first lesson I would like to leave with you today. Do not let your current circumstances limit your future ambitions. It's your choices that define you, not where you're from. Coming to a place like ABBA allows you to decide what kind of person you want to be, and it gives you the freedom to choose your own path. For me, ABBA became a home that allowed me to realize what I can become. The second lesson is this: follow curiosity rather than certainty. One of the greatest misconceptions about successful careers is that they're carefully planned. In reality, many of the opportunities that shaped my life arrived unexpectedly. The most important decisions I made were often based not on certainty, but on curiosity. I did not know where these decisions would lead, but I was willing to take the chance. My career plan has always been, that sounds cool, I'll try that. So be brave enough to remain curious and take the next opportunity when it appears. Be flexible and work hard, so then when the luck comes, you'll be ready. My third lesson comes from science itself. Scientists spend much of their lives discovering that they are wrong. Some experiments fail, most breakthroughs require long periods of hard work. Some of the best ideas I ever had turned out to be total rubbish. Over time, I learned that failure is not the opposite of success. Every setback teaching us something that success cannot. When trying to make the impossible possible, there will be times you will fail. Learn from it and move forward. All of you will experience disappointments in your life ahead. You may not get the job you want, a business venture might fail, a research project may collapse, and life might take an unexpected turn. When that happens, remember your future is not defined by what happens to you. It's determined by how you respond. Finally, there is one more lesson I did not fully appreciate when I was younger. As my career progressed, I discovered the achievements I valued the most. They're not the awards, the titles, the grants, and the publications. They're the people. The students, researchers, colleagues, and friends I've managed to support over the years. The older I become, I realize that success is not measured by solely what you achieve yourselves. It's also by what we enable the others to achieve. So look around you at the friends you've made here in Aberystwyth and take them with you and help each other. You're going to need it. Today, as you graduate, you enter a world facing significant challenges, but you also enter a world of amazing opportunities. Your generation will solve problems my generation could not solve. You will make discoveries we cannot even imagine yet, like the internet. You will build organizations, create technologies, improve lives, and shape the future in ways that none of us can predict. So as you leave Aberystwyth today, I encourage you to remember three things. Stay curious, be resilient, and invest in people. Because extraordinary destinations often begin with ordinary steps. So congratulations once again to each and every one of you and to your families. And finally, I want to thank my family and everybody who's helped me along the way. And once again to Aberystwyth University for this remarkable honor. Thank you.
Bore da, bawb. Fi o'n i yr athro John Timmis, fi isgan gethlo ar y brifysgol. Mae'n bleser dechrau trwy ddweud llongfachriadau mawr iawn I chi heddiw. Well, good morning, everyone. My name is Professor John Timmis, and I have the privilege of being Aberystwyth University's Vice-Chancellor. And it's really great and a huge pleasure to be with you here this morning to celebrate and congratulate you all on your achievements. And can I also thank everyone in the crowd for being suitably noisy and cheery this morning. It makes for a better ceremony, in my view. So thank you very much indeed. You see what I mean? It's great. As the students are graduands and then graduates, graduand at that point, graduate at this point, as you walked across the stage and we doffed hats and so on, not only did you graduate and take a significant stride forward in your chosen field or career, but importantly, you cemented your place in part of a family. And that is the worldwide family of Aberystwyth University alumni. And a very, very warm welcome to that family. And I can also tell you from personal experience, it is one that if you so wish, will embrace you and support you for many, many years to come. And be in no doubt at all, you deserve it. You have worked hard. I am sure you have had good times, and I am sure you have had some very difficult and challenging times. But you made it. You are here, and we are privileged to be able to share this day with you. Ydych chi'n heiddi dathlu heddiw? Dywedwch chi yw e. Ac rydw i y staff y brifysgol yn ddiolchgar am y cyfle i rannu diwyrnod gyda chi. For me, it is extra special to see your achievements, as I too also walked across this stage to graduate many years ago. I was a student here, and I know what a life-changing experience getting a degree and then a PhD here really was for me. Looking back, I can see the profound impact that it had on me, on my life, but also the lives of so many others. In my case, Aber was the springboard I needed for a career that has took me many places, meeting new people, taking on exciting new challenges, and eventually brought me back to Aber. I never dreamt in a million years, if I'm honest, that I would actually be the person doffing the cap and giving a speech like this here today. But the funny thing is, about this place is I don't think it ever really leaves you. No matter how far you go, how long the way you are for, there is something, I think, intangible about Aber. You might feel it already, yeah, but that will grow with you as you move on in your lives. And I will guarantee that you will be in a random place, in a random country, and you will meet someone from Aberystwyth who has been here. It happens, seriously, it does. Mae Aber nawr yn y rhan ohonoch chi. Fydd y bydd yn gadael chi. Dwi'n gwybod hynny fwy na neb. I love graduations. I always have. And like many colleagues, I see graduations as a great celebration and a time when we look to you, our graduates, and admire the journey that you've been on. And we feel gratitude and pride that we have been able to play a part in your journey. It genuinely is a huge privilege and an honour to work with each and every one of you and to see how you move on to the next stages of your lives. There is a lot going on in the world that challenges us at the moment, but that has been true now for some time. You are a generation that has come through the COVID pandemic, as hard as that was, for so many reasons. You have come through testing, economic times, witnessed global instability, the likes of which we haven't experienced for quite some time. But with all of that, you have successfully graduated. To do so, you have shown great resilience, determination, as well as a huge amount of talent. The planet will continue to face significant challenges, financial, political, wars, instability. But I, for one, take great comfort knowing that some of the solutions to those challenges will be shaped by you, our Aberystwyth graduates. Could I reiterate something the Chancellor said earlier, that you may see some of the people who have helped you throughout your studies here, lecturers and other university staff. I can honestly say that the staff here are totally dedicated and committed to your success. And I know that today's ceremony will bring a great deal of pride and emotion for them. So felly diolch yn fawr iawn i'r staff y brifysgol. So a big thank you to the university staff. Oh, you're a great crowd. You're great. But looking around you today, many of you will also see friends, supporters, family members who have been with you and have supported you during your studies, and I'm sure a long time before that as well. Even more poignantly, I dare say that some of you may be thinking of friends and family members who are sadly no longer with us. Whoever it is who has supported you on your journey to this point, I would like you, please, our graduates, to stand. Feel free to give them a wave if they're here. Hold them in your thoughts if they are not, and thank them for all that they have done. Please stand and thank your family and friends. Diolch. So the worldwide family of Aber alumni I was referring to earlier, it's a pretty big family, and that's partly because we've been here for over 150 years now. A century and a half of academic excellence, of career-changing experiences, of partnerships and friendships established, and friendships that will last a lifetime. Please do stay in touch with us and stay in touch with your fellow Aberystwyth alumni. Nawr, cyn gorffen y seremoni, hoffwn I ddweud unwaith eto pa mor falch ydy ni'n ohonoch chi. So, before you go and celebrate, I would like to reiterate that we are immensely proud of what you have achieved. Grateful to those who have supported you, and we wish you every success in whatever it is you do next. Please do hold a special place in your heart for Aber. Go into everything you do as an energy giver, not an energy taker. Be confident in your abilities and your expertise to make your mark in the world. And do what generations of Aber graduates have done before you. Go into the world, make a difference, and change lives for the better. Thank you very much. So diolch yn fawr I chi. So thank you very much, everybody. We are now just about at the end of our ceremony, and we have a tradition here in Aberystwyth to end our ceremony singing the Welsh National Anthem, Hen Lawn Fon Hadau. So please can I ask you to stand and sing. Thank you very much.